shelf in here, which I thought was sort of made well, interesting. And these days, wood's expensive, and the work that went into it was quite a bit. And I got ready to move it, like, holy cow, this thing's heavy. And here's what we found out. This used to be to a hidden room, I would guess, because it had a hinge right there. And this is 1.5 inches thick. 1.5 inches thick wood. There was a door that opened up from the bottom. It had a hinge here. So pretty crazy. Really, really heavy. I don't think I can use it because it's so heavy. But there's a lot of history to that. Quite a story. It's gonna get thrown away. But not today.